The eucalyptus leaves twinkle like stars on this bright winter's morning. And the bees buzz as they move from flower to flower. I stand still and deeply listen. I am surrounded by a symphony. The songs I hear set my body alight with joy. Under the dappled light of a gentle giant, I lay down on my belly and sketch the heath flowers. Shadows dance on my page, while the heath flowers swing like bells. They are chiming silently, with an imagination illuminated by such beauty. I rise and continue on my way. Do you too love to sketch in nature, Wonder Weavers? I'd love you to share with me in the comments below. Hello Wonder Weavers, I hope that you've had a joyous week. Perhaps you'd like to share with me a delight or a little wow that you encountered. Please share with us in the comments below. In the meanwhile, I have been busy here in my studio. This week I built a mini pantry and I can't wait to share with you how I went about it. And I have also reorganized the videos here on YouTube. So when I started Little Worlds, I came up with quite a different idea and structure for the channel, and you will notice that the video playlists are related to the seasons. So I've decided to make it a little bit easier to find content by creating 2 new playlists. One is the Dollhouse project, and that includes all of the vlogs related to the dollhouse. The other playlist is devoted to the Enchanted Cottage. I am going to return to that project soon. I have a couple of other little projects that are related to that one. One is maybe making a fairy caravan. And that's inspired by Beatrix Potter's beautiful book, The Fairy Caravan. I'm curious, Wonder Weavers, have you read it? If you love Beatrix Potter, I think this is a really beautiful read and I can highly recommend it. Please remember, Wonder Weavers, you can choose how you view my content. Most of my videos include timestamps and you'll find those in the description. And this will help you navigate through the video. So for example, if you don't want to watch the Wonder Walk and the introduction, you can skip to making miniatures with me. So we are now a community of 600 Wonder Weavers and I'm incredibly grateful for your support. Thank you so, so much. Little Worlds of Wonder continues to evolve. And I always love receiving your suggestions. So if there's something that you would like to see here, please leave the suggestion in the comments, or you are very welcome to contact me by email. All of my details are in the description. Now, Wonder Weavers, let's make a mini pantry. This week I resume work on the first floor of the Dollhouse. We have come a long way, Wonder Weavers. As you will recall, I replaced the floor and stained it with wood stain. The larger room on the left is going to be the kitchen. But after some thought, I decide to turn the area underneath the staircase into a storage room or pantry. As I've learnt through my reading, Victorian pantries were often in little nooks and under staircases. I first measure the area, recording its length, width and depth, and then on grid paper I draw the area to scale. Victorian pantries were very basic or rustic in style, so for the back wall of the pantry I'm simply going to use craft sticks. I use my sketch as a template to help me work out how many sticks I need and how tall they should be. In the end I work out that they need to be 10 centimeters long. Next I cut the sticks and sand them. Next I glue them vertically underneath the staircase. The glue I'm using is wood PVA. As you can see, above the wall and to the side are gaps. And here I thought I might create a false stone wall. As you will recall, Wonder Weavers, I used egg cartons to create an imitation stone wall for the exterior of the dollhouse. So I'm going to use egg cartons to create this wall too. This job is fiddly because the area is so small, but we get there. Next I make the pantry shelves. For this job I'm using sheets of linden wood. With a graphite pencil I mark out 6 parts, 2 sides and 4 shelves, and these will be 10 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. Next I cut them out, and then one by one I sand the pieces. Then on each side I mark out where I want the shelves to sit. I then glue the shelf together using PVA wood glue. Interestingly, this week I found out that Victorian pantry shelves were often unpainted, but since I don't love the look of the wood of my mini shelf, I've decided to stain it with calligraphy ink. The final piece I'm going to make is a false wall. I used my sketch of the space underneath the staircase to cut out a piece of cardboard. This piece of cardboard is from an Amazon box, and as you can see, I'm cutting away a rectangular piece. I'm removing this piece to open up the entry to the pantry. From craft sticks and balsa wood, I create the door frame and lintel. Next, I sand the pieces and glue them to the cardboard. Next, I lay little courses. Before painting the wall, I lightly sand the craft sticks, making sure that their edges are nice and smooth. Once the glue is completely dry, I gesso the egg cut in pieces. As the rest of the room is painted white, I thought I would paint the false wall the same colour. I give the wall a couple of coats of white acrylic paint. And then finally I paint the door frame and lintel with calligraphy ink. Now for the finishing touches. I install the shelves and then the wall. Now let's test the shelves. So there you go, Wonder Weavers. The little nook under the staircase is now a pantry. Thank you for watching, Wonder Weavers. I hope that you have a playful and restful weekend. Until the next time, take care, stay well, and don't forget to play. Adios. Ciao. Oh, look, there's Muffin, sleeping in the pantry. What am I going to do with you?